So today, we're going to be talking about something which is called the 5-to-1 ratio. For every negative interaction, research has found you need to do 5 positive actions to get to 0. Can you explain that? Why is it like that? I would think I just do 1 and we're good. Like 5, that seems like that's a lot to counteract for 1 negative. So what's it all about?
So research shows that negative interactions have a much deeper impact on a person and their memory than the positive ones. And to keep your emotional bank account strong and in the black and abundant with your spouse, you need to follow this 5-to-1 ratio. Otherwise, there's going to be way more withdrawals than deposits, and you'll find that neither of you are able to appreciate the positive interactions that you're trying to have. So for every 1 negative interaction, you've got to do 5 to mitigate the negative one, and they can be small things.
So can you give some examples? Like, maybe the guys are thinking, oh, if I do something really bad, I'll have to go out and buy her some gold earrings or something. Is that necessary, or is it okay if they do little things? What is it? How is it going to work?
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, gold earrings are nice, but it's not necessary. So words of appreciation, or small inexpensive gifts are fine too. Gifts of appreciation, cleaning up, or doing things that your partner needs to do, but you do it for them without them even asking about it. Words of praise or validation, just creating a general culture of appreciation and respect through acts of service, kind words, and small gifts will go a long way.
So you were talking about the emotional bank deposits, or the emotional bank account, and I was often thinking of that example as of a bankrupt marriage. If there's too much negativity is like withdrawal. And so every time you take out $1, you have to put in 5 somehow or other to get to 0. And so what you see in a bad marriage is they're in the red, like you're saying, and you see in a good marriage, they're in the black. So I think also not only this 1 to 5, but it can be 5 to 0. It can be, as many positives as we can do every day. That, I think, goes without saying. I think we all understand that. But this particularly is meant to help us realize that 1 negative needs those 5 just to get to 0. I think it's a really important point. So thanks for watching, and Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.